Meaning of hongi.
hongi,
Hongi.
hongi,
Hongi. Hongi is a traditional Maori greeting practiced in New Zealand where two people press their noses and foreheads together while breathing in each other's breath. This custom is significant beyond a simple exchange of pleasantries, as it symbolizes the sharing of life force or hauora between individuals. It is a gesture that acknowledges the deep connections between people and signifies mutual respect, trust, and welcome. The hongi is an essential part of Maori protocol and is often used in official ceremonies, cultural events, and informal gatherings.